Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbang. This is the show where we try spicy stuff and we don't jump around like clowns, which seems to be the appreciated thing on YouTube. We don't do that. If it was ultra spicy, we'll let you know. Anyways, today we've got this. This is the new Birria Buldak. This appears to be only at Safeway, Albertsons, Vons, Jewel Osco, stores that are under the auspices of the Albertsons large food place deal thing. And yeah, are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
He's actually the one who found it at the Safeway near us. And yeah, so that's cool. And here's what we've got. We're going to give this a go. Should be known that Miles is not a big fan of squishy or hot foods, so this is also a big deal having to do with that. So this will be your 6th mukbang. You're not going to see them in order, but this is number 6, I believe, 5 or 6, and we have birria today. So let's have our regular beverage swig. All right, get your weapon, sir.
Aye, aye, Captain.
All right. Ready, set,
go.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, I think this one's weird. So on the packaging, as you can see here, it says it's artificial chicken flavor. Well, if you look at the ingredient facts here, it has artificial beef flavor. There is no chicken flavor in this. And as I've said time and time again, Buldak is okay. So if you went to a Korean barbecue restaurant and you got Korean barbecue fried chicken, it would come with a sauce on it. Now that sauce could be used on chicken, beef, whatever you want, but it's not chicken flavored. It goes on chicken. This whole thing of Buldak being chicken flavored, they make Tom Yum and say it's artificial chicken flavor. Tom Yum is seafood, dude. So it's a misnomer, it's a mistranslation, it needs to stop. Especially with this, which is usually, birria is usually beef, goat meat, or sheep meat. So, yeah, and this doesn't taste anything like chicken. That being said, I will say right now that this is definitely among my absolute favorite varieties. This tastes freaking wonderful.
I agree.
Yeah?
I'm giving it a 5-star rating.
Yeah, me too. I really like this. The heat level, what do you think? Is this pretty spicy for you?
It's a little bit of spiciness.
Compared to others, though, there have been spicier ones, huh? Look at you, Mr. Mukbang. Yeah, this is nice. Now, I have seen online that there is a pack version, but I haven't seen it at our store. And yeah, this, while it's neat that they did a limited release in a store that's local to me, and they actually carried it, I would think that this one would honestly do very well on a much more broad basis. This would do very well, like, you know, Walmart, all everywhere. So now I microwaved this one. I used the microwave directions. Water to the fill line. Microwave it for 4.5 minutes at 1,000 watts, and it comes out great. You can steep it too. When you microwave it, it ends up more saucy. Where are you going?
I had 6 bites, so I'm gonna find out.
Wow, you had 6 bites?
Yeah.
Dude, that's impressive. Wow.
I'm helping you today.
I like that. That's cool, dude. Yeah, Miles is really into doing mukbangs all of a sudden, and that's cool. We've got 3 more. We've still got that 2X we haven't touched yet. We've got the Carbo. We went to the new TNT supermarket over in Linwood, Washington last night, and he got the cheese bulldog cup to try. And last night at the local Safeway, they also saw that they had the habanero lime on like discount. So got a bowl of that coming too. So yeah. What are you doing? Well, you can bring it over here, I suppose. You're running out of bite opportunities.
Yeah.
Definitely sloppy, this one. But I like that. I mean, it's good. Done. Well, that was good. I liked that one. And you did super great. Wow.
Yeah.
Is the heat building up now?
Yeah, heat's building up.
You got a little on your mouth still.
I'm gonna put another fire out because I'm gonna get my soda after this. Yeah.
Oh boy, you're all set. Well, that was fun. There will be more mukbang coming. There are some new. I got alerted by the Fat Hipster. You should check his channel out. That there is a trifecta. Excuse me, of cup noodles varieties, like special editions from Walmart. I think they're all based around buffalo wings. And it kind of goes along with the Super Bowl coming up pretty quick. That's kind of a Super Bowl thing. So, yeah, I'll be doing an unboxing of those. Those should be here on Tuesday. And I'll be trying them soon, and you'll get to see them, and that'll be fun for you. And, yeah. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Each and every day.
Have a good one.